We're skirting a fleece that we have just shorn off of a ram. And what we're doing is picking out the straw and the dirt and any wet places so that it doesn't detract from the fleece's value. The finer the fleece, the more lanolin there is. That's pure lanolin. That's what hand cream companies pay big dollars for. You need to spin it very fine. A lot of people try to spin it like heavy, coarse yarns, and you can't spin Rambouillet that way. It's meant to be spun fine.
Sure.
And made into clothes that you wear next to your body, and baby clothes, very, very soft clothes that don't scratch. Rambouillet wool will not scratch you. There are a few people that are truly allergic to wool, but most people, what happens when they wear a wool sweater, they start itching and their arms will turn red with little pricks on it. And that's not because of the wool itself. It's because of the fineness or the non-fineness of the wool. The coarser the wool, the more it scratches. And if you buy a scratchy sweater, of course you're going to get pricks in your arms, you're going to itch. The fine wool does not scratch. It does not prick you, and you can wear it next to your skin. Some mills will use acid bath. The mill we send ours to doesn't, but some mills do use an acid bath. And of course that adds a chemical, and sometimes that chemical could be what the people are allergic to also. But usually it's not the wool. There's a few people, yes, they are allergic to wool, but most people just get irritated from a coarse wool, and I do too. I don't like to wear a coarse wool, but the Rambouillet isn't like that. You have a lamb buyer market that buys lambs for food, and then you have the wool market where you have first of all the contest and then and the judging, and then you sell it to hand spinners. So totally different market. That's one good thing about Rambouillet sheep is that you have more than one market. You have when you butcher lamb, you have the pelt left, so you have sheepskin rugs. You have the lamb buyers that buy the meat. You have the wool market. The wool market consists of selling whole fleeces, selling fleece by the pound, having it processed into rovings, and you sell the rovings. And I have some processed into yarns. I sell yarns. I also do hand dyeing, so I dye some of my yarns and sell that. I also weave wool rugs and sell those. So I try to sell it by the fleece. I don't like to start dividing my fleeces up. Normally when people want wool, they'll just buy it by the pound, but they buy the whole fleece. Yes, this is a show fleece. It will be shown in several shows, and then I'll sell it as a hand spinning fleece.
A good judge will judge the wool based on where it came off the body, off the hip, back, sides, neck.
Let's roll this one in and then.
It's so big. And we're just going to roll it all the way to the end. I got a damp spot here.
Hold it and I'll get the bag.
Over there.
Yep.
This one probably weighs about 16 pounds. Thank you.